Good morning. So let me know once you are able to see my screen. I opened a notepad.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So till now, what are the things that we discussed? Do you remember anything? At least on the topic wise.
Hmm. Last session we saw Agile Manifesto and Principles.
Exactly. Okay. So SL manifesto, or else if some people used to call it as a SL principles. Okay. Both are
Principles.
same that we have to aware of that.
Hmm.
Okay. So that's the one thing. And so the most frequently, people used to ask in the interviews the different ways. Okay. Some questions might
Hmm.
be direct questions. What are Scrum challenges? Okay.
Hmm.
So some people they will explain a scenario, okay, and they will tell you how you handle that situation.
Hmm.
Okay. Or else they'll ask like another question, okay. What is the toughest challenge that you yes, and how you handle? Okay. So the pattern might
Hmm.
be can anything, okay, but we have to aware what kind of the challenges that they're expecting. If you go and see Google, there are some common challenges they will explain. But so my suggestion is, don't these are all challenges. We should not depend on Google or somewhere. Okay, these things, supposed to handle by ourselves with our experience. So whenever you are giving some example, so you have to give example. Whatever the example that you want to give. You want. Okay, that's from your real-time challenge.
Hmm.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
So, so let me give an example. So there are multiple challenges will be there. So in multiple challenges, few are very toughest challenges. Okay.
Hmm.
So there is a critical resource was on leave.
Hmm.
So this is one kind of the challenge. Okay. Leave in the sense sick leave. Right, whenever we want some leaves, they will put sick leaves.
Yes. Hmm.
So that is the one thing. Okay. Another thing is ad hoc changes in the requirements.
Hmm.
Ad hoc means sudden changes.
Sudden changes.
Okay. You will get the requirement on the spot. The thing is production issues. Production issues in the sense leakage of bugs from live. Okay. I'll tell you what is live and all. One second. Share screen again. So you are able to see my screen, right? Book my show.
Yes.
So for example, I want to book a ticket. Okay. So I clicked on some. Okay. One second. Okay. Let's say I'm clicking on girlfriend movie. Okay. Now I clicked on this. So you just imagine. So mm, when I'm clicking on this, okay, it is not selecting. Now it is getting selected, but in the
Mm.
real time, these tickets we are unable to select it.
Mm.
Means they could not able to book the tickets right in the book my show.
Mm.
You got my point, right?
Yes.
Now let's imagine I'm unable to select it, so I can't proceed, right? Because whenever you book the
Yes.
tickets, you
Mm.
have to select it. So
Yes.
that is the kind of production issues. Okay, so it is in the live environment.
Mm.
Live in the sense, live is nothing but this only. Okay. For book my show, this is the live.
Mm.
Okay. So you can able to book the tickets, right? In the real time.
Mm.
Once you book the tickets, you can able to go and watch the movie.
Yes.
So that facility is there. So this is called a live environment or production environment for book my show
Mm.
app.
Mm.
Okay. So this is the one type. So you are unable to book the tickets. That is the one kind of the challenge.
Mm.
Now you are so that is the production issues. So
Mm.
you are unable to select the tickets.
Tickets.
Hmm. So critical resources on sick leave, sudden ad hoc issues, production issues will come. Okay, and people will take Scrum events on lighter mode. You know what are the Scrum events? Do you remember anything?
One
Daily
after
stand
one
up.
week.
Yeah, we'll
Daily.
start with the daily stand up.
uh, Call with product managers,
That is different.
product
So,
owners,
yeah,
product owners,
sprint refinement session,
stakeholders meeting,
sprint review or a demo, sprint review. Okay. So, whenever you are, going to take up these sessions, people are taking these sprint things are light mode because, you know, for example, around at, exactly at 10 a.m., it's supposed to start. People are joining at 2 minutes late, like 10 to, that won't acceptable. Because,
mm.
for example, if your team is having 10 members resources, if you
Mm.
are waiting for the 10 members for the 2 minutes, it's a 20 minutes for a
Yes.
single resource.
Mm.
That should not be allowed. Okay.
Mm.
So in some companies, okay, I have seen one of my previous company. Some people, whenever they're discussing about these refinements and all, they will do some general discussions like how was the movie, what this guy doing, general discussions.
Mm.
That also will be there. Okay, we have to avoid this. Okay, so this sprint review also people are not preparing well. not prepared well for the demo. Means, how they will do. They'll just simply come, and whenever they are giving some demo, they will take the test data in front of everyone. If you take test data in front of everyone, it will take a lot of time.
Yes.
So you have to prepare all the test data
Hmm.
before the call, not
Hmm.
in the call.
Hmm.
So that is also one of the challenge.
Hmm.
So you're getting my points, right?
Yes, yes.
So these are realistic problems only. So I'm not saying, these are things from somewhere. These are realistic problems you might heard, right?
Hmm.
Somewhere
Yes,
you
yes.
can see.
Hmm.
In the retrospection also, people are not openly saying, okay, feedback. So people are
Hmm.
not giving feedback.
Hmm.
How they will improve that?
Yes.
Don't you want, right?
Yes,
First
yeah.
to ask the feedback, then only they have to give it, right?
Yes.
Okay. People are who new to the Azure framework. Got it, right?
Hmm.
People are who new to the Agile framework, they don't understand anything. You know, it happened to me 2 days ago. Whenever I'm discussing about some spillovers, spillover means this is also a
Overflow.
challenge. No, not
Work
overflow.
overload.
Tickets, okay. Tickets which are committed in sprint was unable to complete it.
Hmm.
They don't know this word. They are very big managers, but they are not
Hmm.
aware of the spillover word. So I went to so I joined the new project. Okay, the same company I
Hmm.
joined the new project. So I'm discussing the Scrum things. So I asked
Hmm.
senior management, what is the average spillover in in the project. So
Hmm.
he told me, I don't know what is the word meaning of spillover.
Hmm.
Then I asked the next question, are you not following Agile? They are following Agile since 3 months, but they are not aware of these words and these policies. They simply create some tickets, they will move. Whatever it is possible, they will complete it, or else they won't complete. You got it right?
Hmm.
The, they will create the ticket, but there is no proper plan. There is no proper
Hmm.
strategy. Okay.
Hmm.
They simply create some tickets, they will take it and they will close it.
Hmm.
Whatever is left over, they will take it in the next sprint. That should not be there. So whatever the
Hmm.
tickets that you are committed for the sprint, okay, you have to be committed to that. So for example, you said like you'll complete 2 tickets. Okay. My expectation as a Scrum Master, you have to finish those 2 tickets in the sprint.
Hmm.
So people how they are thinking. So one ticket I'll complete, 50% completed in the another ticket. Next 50% I'll cover it in the next sprint.
Hmm.
Then why you said you will be going to complete? Got it right. You got my point right.
Hmm.
You only committed before
Hmm.
starting the sprint.
Starting with.
Hmm, I'll complete this.
Hmm.
But again, you are saying that it won't be completed.
It won't. Yeah.
So that kind of the problems will be there.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, difficulty in stakeholder management. Okay. You know, right? Stakeholders will be there. Like
Hmm.
stakeholders are nothing but okay, sometimes client, sometimes they will keep some investment in the project. Okay, so they might be very difficult to handle. Like how we can say now, they will come, they don't understand the process. Okay,
Hmm.
they don't understand the process and they'll simply come and say this has to be completed in a week. That won't be possible, right? Because they have to
Hmm.
understand what are the things are happening. If we could be able to complete it in 1 week, then we can able to finish it. It is not possible to do.
Hmm.
We can't do that.
Yes.
One second. I'm sorry. Okay. Now let's start the some solutions. So usually, so the critical resource, who is the critical resources was on sick leave. The solution is first. So for 10 days of work, we will take only 8 days, right? Did
Hmm.
you remember that we discussed? It means like so whatever the work is coming in, so we have to plan very clearly and very practical way because you will be every day you will be having these meetings, right? Daily stand
Hmm.
up 15
That is.
minutes,
Hmm.
refinement, sprint review, demo,
Spread.
all these will be going to take at least 1 day in 10 days.
Hmm.
Okay, if you start and doing all these things for the 10 days, it's almost like 5 to 6 hours on average.
Hmm.
Okay, that will calculate as the 1 day and beginning day of the sprint, we will be going to close couple of things. Testing team will do some regression testing. Okay, and
Hmm.
bug fix development team will do some bug fixes. So all these kind of things will be going to happen.
Hmm.
Got it right?
Yes.
So that is the other thing. So here we have 2 days buffer for each resource. Okay.
Hmm.
The first solution is we will ask, okay, we have 2 days buffer, right? Can
Hmm.
someone pick the critical resource story? Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Plant leaves I will keep. Mm. First thing is, so I'll ask someone to do it. That is the first
Good.
solution.
Hmm.
If they are available, okay. Or else the next solution is I'll request a team.
Hmm.
him to work on weekends.
Oh, God.
Until unless it's very important, or else
Hmm.
we can move it, okay? Request weekends, and we can compensate that,
Hmm.
okay? Or else we can do one thing also, okay? Discuss with product owner, okay?
Hmm.
PO, that one story point or two story points or three story point, three story point, ticket will be spillover, okay? There are
Hmm.
three solutions. They
Hmm.
can choose any one of that.
Okay.
If somebody can able to
Hmm.
backup resource, then it's good. If there is no backup, we need to request some of one resource to the work on weekend. Okay. If doesn't work, okay, you need to check with the PO that it will be spillover.
Hmm.
Okay. Now the second solution. These are very generic. Okay. If you think on the generic perspective, these are very common, right? For example, in your organization, so somebody is on leave, you will assign that
No.
work to someone,
Yeah.
right? You will
Exactly. Hmm.
same thing. It's very common everywhere. Okay. Just we have to think in the general perspective and apply to the Scrum. That's it.
Hmm.
Just we need to apply some common sense over there. Nothing but nothing more than that. Okay.
Hmm.
So there is a sudden changes in the requirement. So what is the solution? Okay. Then they said you just stop the work where whatever you are doing
Hmm.
and start working on the new requirement.
New requirement.
Okay, so again, you have to tell them very clearly to the product owner. Okay, to the
Hmm.
product owner.
Extension date without change.
Okay, to the product owner, you have to say estimations should be reframed. Means whatever is giving the requirement, estimation must be there.
Yes.
Okay, in the refinement. Okay, we have to tell them very clearly. They should not come and just do it in the 2 days. No, not like that. Again, we have to do the estimation. You have to clear the clear plan. Okay, that should be there. So, for example, they are bringing five story points in the new changes. Okay, and new changes. What you will do? Equal amount of work you will reduce. You got it right?
Hmm.
Hope you got my point. Whatever I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Now, solution for this production issues.
Hmm.
Whenever you heard some production issues, immediately set a war room.
Hmm.
What is war room? Means whoever involved in that particular ticket, everyone should join in a meeting or
Hmm.
everyone should go to the conference room, sit
Hmm.
together, work on it, close it, test it, and release to the production environment. Got it right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you the steps. Fix the bug. First one. Okay.
Hmm.
Then retest the bug. Move to the production.
Production.
Got it, right?
Hmm.
That's it. You have to be very practical. So even you should not allow them to go out until this issue get fixed.
Hmm.
You got the point, right? So that's why
Yes.
we say this as a war room.
Hmm.
So these people will take, whenever people are taking at the lighter mode, the solution is arrange, okay, agile maturity sessions. What is agile maturity sessions? It's nothing but you just prepare some slides, even those slides available in the chat GPT as well. If you go and prepare, type it in the chat GPT now, it will give
Hmm.
the PPT as well. Okay,
Hmm.
you just download the PPT, align those PPT to according to your project level. Okay,
Hmm.
so take the session to the
Hmm.
team. So like what you can discuss. So why you have to tell why it is important to join the sessions.
Hmm.
Some people will say, I understood the requirement. Why should I join
Hmm.
again?
Okay.
Correct. You understood the requirement. If
Hmm.
somebody did not understand, you can
Hmm.
explain to them, right?
Exactly.
If you are keep on explaining and if you are brushing up your things, you might become a lead for the team,
Hmm.
right? So that you can do that. Okay, likewise. So and you have to explain to the team to log the work. Okay,
Hmm.
you got it right.
Hmm.
Logging work means, so for example, they spent on one ticket for the person 5 minutes. Yeah, 1 second. Log the work, all these things you have to do. Yes. Okay, so that we have to do that. Means whatever the things that they are not following, so
Hmm.
just need to frame it, write down somewhere, cover all the things in the on that particular session. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is also same solution. People who are new to the Agile, na, similar kind of the solution.
Hmm.
Arrange
Okay.
the Agile maturity sessions. Okay, tell them
Explain.
why it is important to join on the time. Why should we cover it? All these things you have to cover it.
Hmm.
Spillover. So this is very, very important. So whenever there are some spillovers, na,
Hmm.
so what you have to do is immediately you have to find RCA. Okay, means
Hmm.
root cause analysis.
Cause.
Root cause analysis in the sense it's very simple. You have to find the problem statement. Where exactly the problem happened. Okay, you need to write down the some documentation. So post it in the group and these kind of for example, some test data is not prepared well, so that
Hmm.
testing got blocked. Okay,
Hmm.
now you got to know that. So because of the test data, you were unable to do that.
Hmm.
You got my point, right?
Yes.
So what you can do then? So simply, you can ask the team. Okay, you can ask the
Hmm.
team to follow some structure, prepare the data before going to any demo, before going to test something, and to take the experts' suggestions accordingly. Okay.
Hmm.
difficulty stakeholder means, so this is something you have to take a call, okay, take a call with the stakeholder, okay, address their problem.
Mm.
Then you just give two to three solutions. You can also bring leads to the call. Leads, team leads should be there in the call, or managers also should be there in the call. Okay, so you just give the solutions to them, and so this is also you need to be documented. Okay,
Mm.
not you. You can ask someone to document if required. Document
Yeah.
whatever the discussions. Okay, place it in the Confluence page so that everyone will join there. Okay, so that they will
Mm.
see and they will be going to follow all these things in the next steps.
Mm.
You got right. You got it right.
Yes, yes.
So I'll share this. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Mm.
apart from this, you just do Google, ChatGPT, Facebook, whatever the way you want to try it. Find at
Mm.
least two to three problems and
Mm.
solutions. Okay, and share with me.
Okay.
You got my point, right?
Yes, yes.
So think about this, analyze this, and just get some new challenges, and then we will discuss in the next class.
Okay.
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 I'll just post you something. Okay. Then we
Okay.
can possible.
Yeah.